Hey guys, I have a problem, and I'm hoping some of y'all can help me. What I'm basically trying to do is install this Ideneb, which is a Hackintosh, Mac OS X on my PC. And I heard that it's supposed to be able to work for Intel and AMD processors. So see, I have an AMD processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, like a 230 gigabyte hard drive, and a NVIDIA graphics card. And see, I go to utilities, and then go to disk utility. And I wait for this to load. I've been trying to do this all day. And then I come over here, go to erase, make it a Mac OS extended journal. I name it Mac OS X, and I click erase. Okay, so once it's erased, I quit disk utility, go to continue, and I read on a guide on how to do all this, and now I choose that, go to continue, click customize, and this is what I have problems with. Like, I don't really know what to select, but this is what I've been selecting. I select the AMD patch, the audio, all the chipsets, the kernel 9.2.2 SSE3. I select all the networks, and on video I do NVIDIA, and then on applications I do OS x86 tools. Now I click done, and now install. And I skip this, and that's basically what I do. But since this is going to take a while to download, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and once it gets done downloading and it boots up, I'll show y'all what it does. Okay, it got done, and now it goes to this screen. So I click restart. I turn off the computer, turn it back on, eject the disk, and now wait. Now press in the key and go to Mac OS X, which is hard drive 4. Now it loads and goes back to this screen. And last time I installed this, it stayed at this screen forever and never moved from it. Like, I waited for about 30 minutes and it never moved. So I just installed it again and it did the same thing. So now I decided to record it and ask for help. This is like the... Oh, and see, it comes up, you need to restart your computer. Hold down the power button for several seconds, or press the restart button. So anyway, that's the error I'm getting. So, if you know how to fix it, just comment below. Thanks for watching.